Welcome back today again with another weekend tech talk. Here we have Fadil Zaki as a speaker for this week, for this talk, and today we are going to learn about uh, responsive website, building responsive website with Tailwind and DaisyUI. So Fadil is going to talk about it, and the rest of is all on Fadil. So let's welcome Fadil.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So thank you for Mas giving me the opportunities and being my host today. So uh men- mentioned, yeah, today I would like to little bit talking about the topic is responsive UI using the Tailwind and Daisy UI component. So we start from both that I mentioned. First is we using Tailwind as the framework for the CSS that can uh, make us easier to create responsive UI. Why I will mention it here. So the first we have to install it to our project. There is two way to install the Tailwind using command line like this using npm and npx and install it and then configure it the Tailwind config.js and uh, make the source input and then another until we can use or link it to our HTML page. Then, but the second is the most maybe I can say we have to get the connection if want to load the what you can say it's the Tailwind. Then just go to tailwind.css docs slash installations and then choose your way using command line or the CDN. I will use the CDN, then just copy it and then just paste it in our project. So, and after it, we can try first or that is it the tailwind can connect or not. So I would like to go online to the I mean live preview. Okay, okay. I should open the folder and open. Okay, wait. Okay, here I got my. Okay, okay, in my folder. Then wait. Okay, okay, okay. Here, starting. Okay, wait. Oh, nice. We can see here that it was shown here, and then we can just try to make another component. Maybe we can say uh, card. Yeah. Wait. Okay. After we install the Tailwind, I I will install the including the DaisyUI. So start to choose um wait, C component. C component and then wait. Okay, here to the documentation to install it. That's using two ways. That can include the plugins require DaisyUI at the config.js, but first we have to install with using the npm, and or we can just use the cdf like this. So I will like to use this. You can copy all if you pass the script of cd and Tailwind. We can copy all the text by only, but I only need this one. So after here, it should okay. Means we can now we can fully use the ICUI. So just go to the component. We have many components here, like artboard, notification, avatar, and others. So I would where is the card? Okay, here. I'm using the card for the example. I want to use which one guys? Which one the best? Okay, I want to use uh, maybe we can use this just for the example. But before it, we have to know that how we can how we want to write the card. I mean the position because we're talking about UI. So first, after pass state, we have to check where is the position of the card, and we can see it. It's here. Okay. Then we change the theme of um, the UI. So here, on to right. Okay, here you can copy it. The external data ones, and then wait. Wait. There. Oh no, not here. Data then, and then like okay, we have to choose. So here, yep, yep. And what if we fulfill first the view? I mean the UI. Because if we're using only the card, and oh, jadi no, no. Itu nanti kakak Alia ini disemprot Pak Didi loh gitu kan. Gitu. Ya. Gak apa-apa yang penting kita sudah juga memang sudah juara gitu kan. Dan kita paling tinggi dan if we can see this is when we add another card, it will be at the bottom of the first card. So how we how I want to how I can put it beside the first cut. So we can use like okay at here. mm, ah, we can use the templates from Tailwind, but I want to using the component of from the so we can use grid here. Okay, here. Okay, we can initialize the grid. So, what is grid? Grid something like table, like the scroll of grid app camera. It's similar, but we can initialize how many columns we have. It's four, and then the gap is four. So we can use it for the uh, for the parent parent div of card. Ah, so let's try that. Okay. Nah, you can see here we have colors. So I want to try it first. Well, oh, wrong. Okay, we have some problems here. Why there is no web? Ah, so we can try. What if we the columns two? Nah, you can see have they have the the space between them. So let's check here in the inspection. Okay. Ah, you can see when the dimension is responsive, it means okay. Wait, okay. When we change the size of the page or the canvas, we can say um, it will be static and not adapt. Not adapting with the new screen. So we have to uh, we can say initialize the subclass that Tailwind provide for us. So first we have to know that the default canvas for Tailwind it's using a phone canvas. So um, we we can say that what we have to initialize is when have a bigger canvas. So here, okay, we have two columns. Nah, three. Maybe three columns when it goes to uh, mid size or we can say the laptop size is best, but be it will be have only one columns when uh, we can say it smaller than laptop or desktop canvas. So here, let's try. Ah, that what I mean. So let's try again. Here, they have three columns of when they go desktop page, and they will have just we have only one columns when they using the other canvas. So I want to try what if we have more than this. So okay, wait, okay, breakpoint and media requirement. So we can also use parent modifier. So it's what. So here this is the documentation on responsibility design. If so, that's the way to uh, to initialize the canvas of the web page. We have some breakpoint prefix. It's SM as the smallest, MD as for desktop or laptop, and then this one it's small. Uh, and then the last is for the rest is for bigger. Maybe it we can say using big monitor or something like that. But because here I only using uh, laptop. I mean laptop canvas or desktop canvas. So MD it's enough just for initialize the um, page, the breakpoint. Yeah, you can see here. And what if I make more? Konyolnya tuh kemarin tuh nggak bilang, Mister saya banting sekalian, saya ikut ini dia. Make more card. Iya, oh bukan satu orang lagi, dia tuh di depan saya, kita duduk. It's still be one columns, but when we make it bigger, it will become how many? Three, I think. Or maybe we can say initialize different or different three variant of breakpoint. So C it's more than a 1,000, more than 1,000 pixel. So using at MD breakpoint, we use two columns. Ah, this. So it will be only one. What you can say one columns. And here, like you can see, when we got more, smaller, the card will be going get smaller because this is adapt with the screen. It's that the issue I provide to us, and then we try because here more that we can see more than 1,000. We can initialize LG screen, I mean large, for another grid, maybe three, if it's enough. Okay. Oh wait. Like you see, they have three columns and keep moving smaller, smaller until the breakpoints, and they will be. I mean, the size of columns they have will get smaller too. And see, so that's the example how to make a responsive UI using Tailwind and DaisyUI as the component, and maybe we can more customize the screen. Okay, if if I can, I would like to check first how many pixels they can provide for us. Okay, if okay, if it's only this much. Yes. Okay. Here, maybe the unique one next to extra large screen. I mean canvas. I will using grid columns is for no, it's cannot going bigger. Guess why? My screens is only can provide uh two, no three as the desktop page or canvas. Then I will to try is it this one is more I mean more bigger than it. So if we calculate it, it should be this page. Yeah. This is the minimum width to initialize that as extra large screen as the third point. So because that I can because my screen it's only uh reach a large screen, so I can only use three of the breakpoints. Small one, I mean, small is the default screen for Tailwind. Rem- Remind it, don't lose it. And then uh, middle size as the middle size breakpoints and large breakpoint. And I use this UI for the components that they provide us. The component is responsive as they give to us. So we don't have to, um, maybe I can say, customize more to make it um, responsive. So yeah, maybe that's all from me, guys. Thank you very much, and I give it back to the host.
Okay, great. Thank you, Fadil, for your uh, about telling about talking about this topic. I hope the audience, may have learned up some things from your talk, and I think that's it for today. This week in Tech Talk. We'll see you in the next talk. So this is it. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.